Okay, here we are at the GCS acid bench, and Angel Sanchez will walk us through the chemical injection system. Go ahead, Angel.
So we have three injection systems, one for HCl, one for NH4OH, and one for H2O2. We have calibrated the pumps to 50% speed, and we found out that in 30 seconds we can deliver up to 100 milliliters in 30 seconds.
Right.
In 1 minute we come up with 150 milliliters, and we did a couple of tests and it's very consistent. So here's the bottles where they need to be replaced. For the HCl, the bottle has to be in place. There should be no leak detection, and that's what turns on these pumps right here through this power cord. So they have to be plugged in for the corresponding receptacles. Okay. So we're going to run a test for 30 seconds. And we're going to use a stopwatch to time it. Actually, I need some help.
All right, let me grab it there. You got it.
Ready? We're going to start 30 seconds, okay?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. So we're going to dispense 30 seconds, and we have a beaker with a scale so we can actually see how much we're pouring into the beaker.
Once it's primed at the setup, that's all they have to do is prime it only once. Okay.
So that's 30 seconds. And we can see that it's 100 milliliters. If we do 1 minute, it's going to be 150 milliliters. That's what we come up with. If we do 2 minutes, it was about 300 milliliters.
Right.
And it was very consistent.
Yes.
So, in order to get to this point when all the lines are full, we have to first make sure that the bottles are full, our bottles are full, and that we can prime the lines. The way to do this, you have to open this valve right here, like quarter of a turn, and then hit prime. What it's gonna do is gonna run the pump at 60% speed, and it's going to slowly go down. What it's going to do is going to fill all the lines with chemistry. Right now it's counting from 60 seconds to 0. So when it times out, it should have all the lines full. We can stop it at any time if we know that the lines are filled correctly, but might as well just let it do its own routine to complete the whole routine. So once the prime is done, we can close this valve by turning it clockwise. Make sure it's properly closed, and we can see that the line is full all the way. Okay.
And how often will they have to do this?
They only have to do it on initial startup when there is no chemistry at all in the bench. Once the lines are full, they don't have to do it again until they clean up the system, or when they do maintenance, or when they replace the pump, or if they replace the bottles for a different chemistry. That's when they have to do it.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, let's show them the crossover valve from pumps. That was the other question they had, is how do we go from one of these pumps goes to bath, the
NH4OH, bath 8 and bath 9. This is the diverter valve, NH4OH. Right now, the way we have it laid out right now is that that's for bath 9, and when the valve is this way, like so, It's 4/8.
Okay. Okay, good. All right. In each pump's baths are labeled with the chemistry, and otherwise you just need to figure out how much chemical you need to inject and then time it accordingly. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.